earn 30 cents in a month as a blogger in Nigeria. So if you're interested in this video, so kindly stay tuned. Hey guys, a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers and to all my new subscribers. Please don't make it your very last by clicking on the notification button. Subscribe is very, very important. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to drop a comment. It really motivates me. Let me know that I am doing well. Thank you. So from the topic below, you know what we're going to be talking about. So as a Nigerian students, we all need something that will be fetching us cash even while we are studying, or even while we are sleeping. Something should be bringing out cash for you now. Don't you want it? So if you want it, so kindly stay tuned to this video. Yeah, the first on my list is pastries. Yeah, pastries, making of the small chops, the meat pie, the all those small chops. Yes, small chops as a whole. You know, we students, we don't. There are some people that they don't want to cook. You know, like those in body, those in hostel, they don't want to cook. Just want to be eating junk. So being able to sell this in the hostel, or even selling it in a shop as its wholesale in a shop, then we getting your percentage. That is a very good business that every student should look out for. But no, if you're not, so the next one on my list now is photography and editing. All right, so if you're willingly, and if you like photography, monetize it. Very affordable, please. I don't want when I come next time to snap, I'll be hearing 1,000 or 5,000 per, okay, not even, or 5,000 per copy. Please make it very affordable. So you can just search in your school environment there. At least you have friends, you make yourself visible, you tell them, tell your family members. At least at the end, every Saturday you'll be cashing out. No how, 2,000, you'll be cashing out. So another thing that you can do is graphic design. All right, graphic design, that is another skill, because nowadays we have a lot of businesses, a lot of brands. You can be making flyers, make logos, you design and billboard, all this what's it called, just design. As long as you know how to play with your colors, you know how to market yourself, you know how to make your work look nice, trust me, you'll be earning every month. So the next one on my list also is drop shipping and data and audience and the whole seller also. Very important. So just for you to you public it, and you get your percentage, and the rest you give it to the seller. I know you're still waiting to hear the 30 cents that I earn in a month as a blogger. So yes, I'm coming to that. So that is another thing, niche blogging. Yeah, I know this one will not really fetch a lot of money at this time. So something that maybe after a year, or after 2 years at most, not at most, but maybe 2 years, you can start earning from. So Google will pay you in dollars. Google will pay you in dollars. So who knows? As long as you are consistent and your content are good, I read from you, you read from me, then the Google will start paying you. And please, I don't end that yet. Yeah, I just registered for the class, so I don't end that yet. So I'm hoping to end that very soon, or more than that very soon. So if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I so much appreciate. So see you in my next video.